Good morning, students.
Happiness is not measured by the amount of money you have, but it is measured by the wonderful people you have in your life. I repeat, happiness is not measured by the amount of money you have, but it is measured by the number of wonderful people you have in your life. Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class.
Children, welcome back. Today we'll be doing grammar exercise in your course book, page number 70. Is it clear? So open your English course books to page number 70. Now let's discuss about simple present and present continuous. We use the simple present tense to talk about an action that we do again and again. For example, you walk to school every day. I play football in the evening. Then my mother milks the cows at 5 every morning. Is it clear? So all these are simple present tense when we try to talk about an action that we do again and again. Okay. Now next is present continuous tense. Now what is this? We use the present continuous tense to talk about the actions that are happening right now. For example, I'm reading a newspaper. I'm watching the TV. I'm going to school. I'm having my breakfast. My sister is cleaning the clothes. My brother is learning to ride a bicycle. So all these are said to be present continuous. Okay. So what is present continuous? The actions that are happening right now. Is it clear? Now let's do an activity in your course book, that is page number 70. Is it clear? Fill in the blanks with the present, simple present or present continuous forms of words. You can say that the words are given in the brackets. Let's do this exercise. Is that clear? So, first one is Sachi. Dash out. It is come out. See children, as and when I read, listen carefully and fill in the blanks. Is that clear? Those who complete all their course books also, you will be given marks. Completion of your course book, you will be given marks for that in your activity marks. So, Sachi, come out. Sejal. It is a beautiful day. The breeze is blowing. The breeze is blowing, the birds are singing, and the flowers are dancing. Let's go out and play. Okay, now the next dialogue is by Sejal. Sejal says, No, Sachi, I'm playing a video game. Look here, the robo is running fast. It is collecting all the gold coins. The aliens are chasing the robo. Now the next dialogue is by Sachi. Sid is bringing his new puppy to the playground. I'm going to play with them. Bye. Now Sejal. Hey, wait, I'm coming too. Is it clear? Now let's continue. Next, number 2. Here there's a small description given about Goofy. Goofy is usually a troublesome boy, but today is his birthday. He has decided to be a good boy today. Look at the sentences in column A, and these are the actions Goofy usually does. Now read the sentences in column B and fill in the blanks in both the columns using simple present and present continuous tense. Okay? And what he usually does and what are the nice things he is doing today. And there are certain words given in the brackets. We have to make use of those words. Is that clear? It is in present form, simple present form and present continuous tense. Okay, now let's start. This is what Goofy usually does. But today what he does? Let's see now. Goofy usually wakes up late. But today Goofy is waking up early. Next. He misses the school bus. But what he does today? He is waiting for the bus at the bus stop. Now let's go on next page, page number 71. Column A, what Goofy does? Usually what he do? He eats too many packets of chips and sweets. But what does Goofy do today? He is eating vegetable roll and an apple. Next. He drops trash on the floor. What is Goofy doing today? He is throwing the wrapper into the waste basket. And what does Goofy usually do? He usually watches too much TV in the evenings. But today, Goofy, he is playing a board game with his family. He usually fights with his brother while having dinner. And what is he doing today? He is helping his mother clean up the kitchen after dinner. Is that clear, children? Now I want you all to listen to the video carefully and complete page number 70 and 71. Is that clear? Those who complete this, you will be given activity marks also. So listen to the video carefully and try to fill in the blanks. Is that clear, children?